Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, and it's February 13th. We don't really have anything on the economic calendar, but we do have NFIB Small Business came out with their index, and basically this is a index kind of gauges the small businesses confidence level of where the economy is and everything. And as you can see, back in this is for the month of January, so back in December we had a 104.9, which is a great number here, and it went up a few ticks to 106.9, so up 2. So they're feeling a little bit better coming into January. So let's go ahead and take a look here at the headline news. Stock market is down. Now they're kind of getting ready again. Now there's been a lot of anxiety over inflation, which inflation tends to do. The Fed reacts by raising interest rates, and that's what they're concerned about. Now tomorrow we got a big number coming in here for the CPI, which is the Consumer Price Index. It's not the favorite gauge that the Fed looks at, but it is an important one, kind of, because what they really want to look at is inflation to the pass on to the consumer, and this is a good gauge for that. So they're going to kind of pulling back a little bit in on the eve before that is released. So there's a concern that if there's a big number, if it comes in higher than expectations, that there might be a big sell-off on the stock market. Of course, nobody wants to be caught at a high number and there's a big sell-off. So that's why we're seeing the stock market kind of readjusting itself on the day before the announcement. Bond market, we're rebounding a little bit here. As you can see here, we have a what they call inverted hammer, and this is usually a good sign. It could help us a little bit, recover a little bit. Hopefully, this is a good sign of maybe stabilizing here and maybe get a little bit. Now we have this downward channel here, and basically we're on the low side of the channel. We could rise to the higher side. I don't know if we'll go outside of the channel, but it might help out a little bit, at least get us to the higher side of the channel, which will show a little bit of improvement in rates. Now, right now it's about 9 basis points higher than where we left off yesterday. It's not quite enough for better pricing as a result, but again, hopefully that's a good sign for us to see a little bit of improvement, or at least a little reprieve of this downward cycle here. All right, so price is about the same as where we left off yesterday. Here's a look at the treasuries. The yields came down again, so we're at about 2.83, I believe it is. So we're down about 1 basis point for treasuries here as well. After we saw a high of 290 yesterday, we started off at 290 and dropped, and then we continued the drop in yields as well. All right, so we're going to keep it kind of short and sweet, but again, tomorrow will be the big day. We'll get the CPI number, and then we also get retail sales, but they really want to see what that CPI is. That's the inflation numbers. Inflation has been kind of spooking the markets of late. So if you guys want to get more data, just come over to Twitter at Mike Bjork. I'm underneath the handle Mike Bjork on Twitter, and follow me there, and you'll get more updates throughout the day versus just watching the videos here. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. I look forward to see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.